Bea Bores, nagpa-gender reveal na?
3, 2, 1!
And yes, it's a baby girl. Congratulations, Bea! Pero ito, ang daming nagtatanong sa comment section. Kailan ba pwedeng malaman yung gender ng baby? Kung may budget ka, as early as 10 weeks, pwede kang magpa-NIPT or non-invasive prenatal testing. Isa itong screening test na kumukuha ng blood sample para ma-analyze yung fetal DNA. Dito, maaaring ma-detect kung may chromosomal abnormality si baby at kasabay na din, pwede nang malaman yung gender niya. Via ultrasound naman, posible nang ma-detect yung gender at around 14 weeks since fully developed na yung genitals ni baby. Pero, mas accurate at usually recommended na maghintay at around 18 to 20 weeks. O, wag nang hintayin mga anak bago magpa-check up sa OBGYN ha? Gets ba? Okay,